In this video, I'm going to show you the incredible benefits of doing push-ups every day for 90 days. There were 9 pros that completely changed my body, but also some cons that I wasn't expecting, which I will touch more on later on. The push-up is one of the best straightforward exercises to develop your upper body. It targets multiple muscle groups for starters, and when done daily, apart from increased strength, one can experience a variety of other benefits. Do daily push-ups help with preventing bone loss? Are they good for weight loss? Stay tuned until the end and I'll share with you my favorite push-up variations when it comes to maximizing the power of push-ups. Number 1, it increases muscle strength and size. If there's one thing that everybody knows about push-ups, it's the fact that they develop upper body strength. When you do push-ups regularly, it isn't just your chest that benefits from it, but also your triceps, shoulders, core, and wing muscles. Although a push-up may seem like a simple movement, this exercise requires great stability and control. As you lower your body toward the ground, multiple muscle groups in your body, specifically the upper body parts, work hard as a unit to keep your body in alignment. Moreover, your functional strength also sees an increase as you keep doing push-ups, which refers to your performance in activities that require upper body strength, such as swimming, climbing, and pressing movements. Additionally, push-ups help increase the size of the muscle in various body parts. Therefore, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned athlete, adding push-ups to your workout program is sure to bring you a step or two closer to your fitness goals. You probably have a general idea of how daily push-ups can transform the body, but did you know that this exercise goes beyond just physical benefits? Push-ups are also amazing for your mental focus, but more on that coming up. Number 2, it promotes a stronger core. We've established already that push-ups are associated with upper body strength. What some don't know is that this movement is also an effective core exercise. When doing a push-up, it's essential to have stable and strong control throughout the torso. Without this, your front side would drop to the floor. And to build that type of hold, it's necessary to engage all the core muscles, including the transverse abdominis, the often overlooked part of the core. So yes, the more push-ups you do, the stronger your core becomes, provided of course that you're doing it the right way and form. Much like muscle mass, bone mass declines as we age. This is where the bone-building effects of push-ups come in. A part of the aging process is a decrease in bone mass density. According to research, body weight exercises like push-ups can help curb your body's natural inclination toward bone loss. In fact, resistance training can also encourage the development of new bone, and push-ups are also considered a resistance type of exercise. Simply put, it's as effective as any other strength training or weightlifting program. So, if you're looking for a way to strengthen and build your bones, look no further than daily push-ups. Something else I noticed was an improved posture and boost in my flexibility. Doing push-ups every day can improve your flexibility, since it involves stretching the back muscles as your body gets lower to the floor. Likewise, lifting your body weight causes your back muscles to get stretched. Such movements are the key to enhancing your body's flexibility. When it comes to posture, push-ups also play a role. The effects are even more felt by individuals who spend the majority of their time sitting or have a sedentary lifestyle. This is because push-ups are active and strengthen your core, a vital factor in having a better posture. Lastly, improved balance is another benefit of doing push-ups daily for 90 days. Due to the control you gain over time from this move, your balance improves. By chance, are you also looking for a way to shed some pounds? Push-ups can also help you with that. Regular push-ups contribute to accelerating the metabolic rate of the body. The thing with the human body is that by default, it loses muscle mass over time. Clinically, this condition is called sarcopenia. This muscle loss happens in many men, most of them losing about 30% of muscle mass during their lifetimes. Muscle mass helps fuel the metabolism process, which means the loss of muscle mass also aids in the regression of the metabolism. A slow metabolism contributes to body fat accumulation and muscle mass decrease. Thankfully, push-ups and other weight-bearing exercises help speed up your metabolic rate by boosting your muscle size and strength. Number 6, it boosts mental focus. Similar to how you tend to feel less stressed when you're able to focus better, your focus also improves when you're less stressed. Performing push-ups every day can bring down your stress levels by releasing endorphins or feel-good hormones. At the same time, this activity also curbs the amount of stress hormones in the body. Additionally, your heart pumps faster in response to doing push-ups, releasing a rush of oxygen to the parts in the body that might need it. That rush of O2 gives is like a wake-up alarm to your system, making you instantly more alert. Another positive effect of daily push-ups for 90 days is, number 7, it increases joint support. Push-ups are effective in improving joint support, particularly the joints surrounding the shoulder. Exercising to make these joints stronger is important as they are responsible for keeping your upper arm bone intact in the shoulder socket. On the other hand, you shouldn't be overdoing it, say doing hundreds of push-ups every single day and for 3 months at that. Do push-ups in moderation, starting with just a couple of reps a day, and then gradually increasing as you progress. This way, you can avoid overworking your muscles and tendons. Back pain is a common problem for many. Here's how push-ups can help solve this. Number 8, it alleviates back pain. When performed using proper form and as part of a workout routine that features pulling-type exercises like pull-ups and rows to balance things out, push-ups can go a long way toward alleviating lower back pain. Back pain is also linked with weak core muscles, both front and back. Thus, by strengthening your core, you're also reducing the likelihood of suffering from back pain. Moreover, doing strenuous exercises like push-ups releases endorphins in the bloodstream, which then helps ease physical pain and reduce stress. According to studies, more stress is associated with greater pain perception. Speaking of back pain, there's another bodyweight exercise that's excellent for it, and that's none other than dead hang. It works by decompressing the spine, and many more coming up in a bit. Number 9, it promotes calorie burn. Push-ups are like a staple exercise in almost all weight loss workout programs. This is because it's a great way to burn more calories, making you lose weight faster and safely. It uses a ton of energy and engages numerous muscles in a short duration, resulting in the burning of more calories. In other words, the more push-ups you do, the more calories you will burn. Plus, the more muscles you have, the more calories your body burns just by sitting and breathing. But again, don't push yourself too much right from the start. Start slow and increase over time. As you've learned, push-ups come with many benefits. That said, doing push-ups daily is not without some health concerns. To avoid these risks, or at the very least reduce their impact, it's crucial to be aware of them. Here are some health risks associated with doing push-ups every day for 90 days. Back pain. Certain push-up variations like the backward and forward push-ups primarily target the lower back muscles. Thus, when done incorrectly, they can lead to back pain. It's why individuals with existing back conditions are discouraged from doing some push-up variations. And if you're still a beginner who is yet to master the proper form of the standard push-up, I highly suggest you stay away from such variations for now. Injuries. This 90-day push-up challenge would mean doing a repetitive movement every day. Consequently, there is a risk of an overuse injury. Not to mention that you should be focusing on doing the correct form, quality, over the number of reps you do per day, quantity. A smart move would be to start small with the reps and then increase them over time. Fitness plateau. Doing just push-ups every day can start to feel less challenging over time. If this happens, and it will if you're only having push-ups and nothing else to balance things out, then you've reached a fitness plateau, my friend. It means your muscles are no longer developing from your routine. Ask a fitness instructor on what other exercises or variations you should incorporate to fight off the fitness plateau. Because you stuck around until the end, here are the push-up variations I recommend. Number 1, wall push-ups, beginner level. This is a vertical variation of a regular push-up that puts far less strain on the joints. It works your biceps, triceps, pecs, and anterior deltoids, and is overall a great way to strengthen your arms. The wall push-up is a perfect stepping stone for beginners who still haven't mastered the traditional push-up. Number 2, decline push-ups, intermediate level. This variation focuses more on building strong and bigger chests and shoulders. It involves putting your feet on an elevated level so your body is at a steeper angle. The decline variation is more difficult than the standard push-up because it's the upper chest and the shoulders that bear the most stress. Number 3, plyo push-ups, advanced level. This variation is especially great for burning fat and building muscle. It includes a jumping movement to make the exercise remarkably challenging and explosive. As such, the plyo push-up is only recommended to people with advanced fitness levels. After learning what daily push-ups for 3 months can do to your body, there is another exercise that can have massive benefits and completely transform your body, and that is the dead hang. Watch this video here to find out exactly what a dead hang does to your body.